Hello children, welcome back and let's start with our subtraction sums in capacity. This is a simple sum and as we have categorized the sums into liters and milliliters under these heads. In the same way we will do the subtraction sums as we have already been doing till today. Simple subtraction but categorizing under different heads like liters and milliliters. Here we can see that the example number 4, subtract 50 liters 345 milliliters from 81 liters 245 milliliters. That means we have to subtract this number from this number. That means this number will be written first and this will be written below it. So 81 liters, and now before writing these digits we will give the two proper headings, that is liters and milliliters. Put the digits of liters under the liters head and the digits in milliliters under the milliliters head. So it is 81 liters 245 milliliters, and from this we subtract 50 liters and 345 milliliters and we get the answer as 30 liters and 900 milliliters. Let's do some of the sums in exercise 10.3. We will do with the first sum, that is sum number A, which says 61 liters 396 milliliters, and from this we will take away 22 liters 284 milliliters. You will do these sums in book. Now let's start. 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then 1 is a smaller digit, so we will carry 1 and 6 will be subtracted to 5, will be reduced to 5. Now from 11 we take away 2, we get 9, and from 5 when we take away 2 we get 3. Now what is the answer? It is 39 liters and 112 milliliters. So in this way you will be able to do all the other sums. Now coming on to solve the following. Now these sums will be done in your copy. Question number 2 in your copy. Let's do the first sum. This is a simple sum where it is said subtract 23 liters 181 milliliters from 43 liters 337 milliliters. Now make two heads of liters and milliliters, and the biggest number will be written first, that is 43 liters and 337 milliliters, and from this we will take away 23 liters and 181 milliliters. Common subtraction, simple subtraction sum. 7 minus 1 is 6. 3 is a smaller digit, so we will carry 1 from here and take away 1 from here, and it is 2. So 13 minus 8 is 5 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Then we come to 3 minus 3 is 0, 4 minus 2 is 2. So what is the answer now? It is 20 liters and 156 milliliters. Right? Now this is how we will do the first sum. Coming on to the next one, that is question number D. Now you can see that question number D says subtract 6,24,900 liters from the sum. Now here you have the word sum, that means addition of what? Addition of 4,33,931 liters and 3,14,269 liters. So first what you have to do, you will have to add these two numbers, and whatever is the answer, you will subtract this number from it. So first what we will do, we will find the addition of the numbers. Take the two columns as liters. Since it is only in liter, so only one column will be there, that is 4,33,931 liters added to 3,14,269 liters. Now you have to add this and get the sum. So 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, carry 1 over here. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 1, 10, 0, carry 1 over here. 9 plus 2 is 11, 1, 12, 2, carry 1 over here. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Now the total number is 7,48,200, and we will have to subtract this number. So subtract 6,24,900. Now what is the answer that we get? 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. This number is smaller, so we carry 1 from here and this becomes 7. So 12 minus 9 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now what is the actual answer of this sum? It is 1,23,300 liters. This is the final answer of the sum number D. So this is how you will do sum number B and C as homework. Coming on to exercise 10.4, also we have simple multiplication sums. Now you can see simple multiplication, we have categorized the numbers, that is it is 24 liters 562 milliliters to be multiplied to 11. So we will simply multiply, we will count the tables of 11. So 11 is, we take the tables of 11 and we then count it to the digits that are given. So 11 twos are 22 and we get 2 over here and 2 is carried over here. 11 6 are 66 plus 2 is 68. So we have 8 over here, carry 6 over here. 11 5s are 55 plus 6 is 61. 1 carry 6 here. 11 4s are 44 plus 6 50. 0 and carry 5. 11 2s are 22 plus 5 is 27. Right? So what is the answer now? It is 270 liters and 182 milliliters. This is the actual answer that we are getting from the multiplication of this sum. So simply your homework will be to multiply question number B and E. This is simple multiplication. You must know the tables from 2 to 20. Coming on to the solve the following, where we are asked to multiply simple sum 52 liters 180 milliliters. Now you will categorize under liters and milliliters and write 52 over here, 180 over here, and multiply it by 12. Now you must know the tables of 12 to solve this sum, and you will get the answer over here. This is how it is done. Now coming on to question number D. D says subtract 1,02,200 liters from 1,25,900 liters and multiply the answer by 5. So first what you will do, you will subtract these two numbers. So we have to take away this number from this number. That means 1,25,900 and subtract 1,02,200. So when we subtract, answer is 0, 0, 9 minus 2 is 7, 5 minus 2 is 3, 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the answer that remains? It is 23,700 is the answer that remains, which is to be multiplied by the number 15. And you must know the tables of 15, and this sum will be an easy sum for you. This is how you are going to do the multiplication. And now coming on to division sum, the most important thing that is to be understood in this sum is that when we have a sum like 75 liters 936 ml by 12, that means we will have to convert the whole sum into milliliters. So for conversion of milliliters will be 75 liters plus 936 milliliters, which is 75,000 milliliters plus 936 milliliters, and it will give 75,936 milliliters. Now the division will be easier. So what we have done, we have the sum now over here is 75,936 milliliters divided by 12, and we get the answer. We divide it like this and we get this answer as 6,328 milliliters. So this is how you are going to divide the sums. Let's do 10.5 exercise, where it is said, now question number 29 liters 414 milliliters. First convert this 29 liters into milliliters, and it will become, the answer will be 29,414 milliliters to be divided by 11, and then you can simply divide and get the quotient over here, and that is the answer. Now this is how you are going to solve the sums. So your homework here is very easy. Now solve these sums, and we will do with the word problems. Now here we have a different thing to do. Now divide the sum. Question number A, look at question number A. You will see that divide the sum of 23,236 milliliters and 43,256 milliliters by 12. So what you will do, you will add these two numbers, this number and this number. Then whatever is the answer, what you will do, you will convert the answer, the liters, into milliliters, and then add the milliliter to it, and the number that you will get will be divided by 12, and then you get the answer. Coming on to the next sum, this is also similar. What you will do, you will have to simply subtract these two numbers and then finally divide the answer by 14 and you will get the answer. So, this is how you are going to solve the sum and then finish up with the sums, the addition, subtraction, division, multiplication and division sums, and later on we will continue with the word problems. Thank you and have a happy learning.